Now scratch disk error is the most common error in Photoshop when your local computer disk has a less space. When we work on Photoshop constant creates temp file in the drive where Photoshop is installed as default, and after we close our work, those temp files auto deleted by Photoshop system. Mostly Photoshop installed in our C drive, and C drive have less space compared to the other D, E, F drive. So when C drive gets full, you can face Photoshop is hanging, slow down speed, or an error called scratch disk error. To fix this scratch disk error, open your Photoshop, top menu, Edit, Preferences, Scratch Disk. Here, scratch disk is activate on C drive as a default setting. Let's change it to another drive which has more space. Also, you can enable it to all other drive except C drive. I'm selecting all drive except C drive. This changes will give Photoshop more space. If D drive gets full, then Photoshop will automatically take F drive. Also, if you do this setting, then you will never face Photoshop scratch disk error ever again. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials.